Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Photoshop graphics processor not detected. Okay, first things first, open Photoshop and go to Help, then GPU compatibility to check if your graphics card is recognized and compatible with Photoshop. Navigate then to Help, then System Info to verify your graphics card is enabled and usable by Photoshop. Also, disable hardware acceleration in Photoshop by going to Edit, Preferences, Performance, and unchecking the Use Graphics Processor option. Restart then your Photoshop for changes to take effect. Ensure that no other background applications are running while using Photoshop. After that, just update your graphics driver either through the GeForce Experience application for NVIDIA GPUs or the AMD Radeon software for AMD users. Reopen then your Photoshop and enable hardware acceleration by going to Preference. Reopen then Photoshop and enable hardware acceleration by going to Preferences, Performance, and checking the Use Graphics Processor option. And as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Photoshop graphics processor not detected. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.